In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to respond to Facebook Marketplace messages. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your messages and how to craft clear, confident replies that help you move deals forward smoothly. Start by heading to Facebook and opening Marketplace in your browser. Once you're on the Marketplace homepage, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Inbox. This is the central place where all your Marketplace conversations live. You'll see a list of message threads with any unread conversations typically highlighted so they're easy to spot. Take a moment to scan the list so you can prioritize the messages that matter most, like new inquiries or replies on items you're actively selling. Next, select a message thread to open the conversation. When you click into a thread, you'll usually see the item photo and title at the top, which helps you confirm you're talking about the right listing. Before you type, read the buyer's note carefully. Look for key details they're asking about: price, availability, condition, pickup location, or shipping, so you can address everything in one clear response. If the conversation has a bit of history, quickly review earlier messages to keep the context in mind and avoid repeating details. Now type your response in the chat window at the bottom. Be concise but complete. If someone asks, "Is this still available?" let them know the current status, and if it is, suggest a practical next step, like proposing a general time window for pickup or confirming that you can hold the item for a short period. If they're asking about condition, offer specifics that match what's in your listing, and consider adding a brief note about anywhere so expectations are aligned. If price is the topic, be polite and direct. State whether your price is firm or if you're open to reasonable offers. It's helpful to include information that reduces back and forth: the general area for pickup, typical days or times you're available, and which common payment methods you accept upon meetup. Keep sensitive personal details private and conduct negotiations within Marketplace for safety and clarity. If you're dealing with multiple inquiries, you can reuse a friendly, consistent reply to keep your tone professional and your process efficient. Finally, aim to reply promptly